and the inside is beautiful. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to be just doing my makeup, just getting ready. You know, it's the morning time. I'm just waking up and I just want to freshen up. For today, I'm going to be going in and using my Joy eyebrow pencil, and it is the brush and the comb on there, which I don't even have any eyebrows.
I like them a little full, and then like just do my shit.
So don't even worry about it. We're gonna get this all straightened out. We're gonna get these eyebrows together and we're gonna be on fleek. So next I am going to be using my Catchy, and this is the concealer that I'm going to be using, and this is the MAC. It's already open because I already been using this. So I'm just going to be putting this over my eyebrows, and I'm just going to be using this beauty brush, and this brush is in the 306, and this is the Glow Skin Beauty Brush that I'm going to be using, and this is kind of like a thin brush just so I can get into the creases. That's what I love about this concealer. I really don't like having eyebrows because when I was little, I shaved my eyebrows off. When I was like in high school, like freshman year, I shaved my eyebrows off. Nobody really knew that I shaved my eyebrows off because I used to always love draw my eyebrows. Everybody used to be like, oh, how did you get your eyebrows like that? This, that, and other. You know, back then, eyebrows wasn't really in style then when I was in school. So then it started getting really, really popular and people just started just going all out. But I am a fan of eyebrows. Like, I love eyebrows. I really love thin eyebrows. Yeah, back then people were, you know, just wearing a regular hairstyles, and they're, you know, people weren't really into, you know, eyebrows like that. Eyebrows wasn't really the thing. People really didn't care about it. And it just wasn't in style. Yeah, so my eyebrows were really, really thin. So I didn't really, you know, care about them like that. Well, you know, I didn't shave them bald, but, you know, I shaved them just a little tiny bit, just to give it that arch. I'm just like, I'm just gonna stick to this. And I was an eyebrow girl, and I really didn't need, you know, I honestly didn't need any makeup on because my face was really pretty. But don't get me wrong, if I got closer to like perfume or anything, I would literally break out. But I really wasn't into like the whole makeup thing until I got out of high school. Now with that, you know, that was just a whole different story. The eyebrows and the eyeshadow, I'm just like, I don't know, you know, because I don't want to mess up my face and this, that, and the other. And I was like, girl, you're gonna have to get it together. You know, you're gonna have to get it together. And if you're not gonna want to learn how to do this makeup, you're losing out. I just had to tell myself, like, you know, hey, be you, boo, but this makeup is winning. Makeup is winning. I am a makeup finesser. Yes, I said makeup finesser. If I don't know how to, and what I mean by that, if I don't know how to do makeup, I'm gonna finesse it, and I am going to make it look nice. Period. I'm just gonna finesse that and just do it my way, to how my liking is. It's just like, certain things that you might like, other people will. And you just don't have to be like anybody else. Just be yourself and do different things. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just do different things. And when you finesse it, it go a whole nother route. And I'm just dabbing a little bit onto the brush just so that it can sink in just a little bit. So now I already put my tape on and everything, so I am going to be doing my wing, and I probably just do this off camera because it takes a little bit of time. Okay guys, now that I got that on, I'm going to be putting I probably just go ahead and put my eyelashes on just so that, everything can be on and everything. I'm going to be going in and probably just placing my eyelashes on right here, and these are the individual lashes that I'm going to be putting on. So I'm going to be using my Glow Beauty brush. I'm not going to put a lot on there because I want it to be really, really natural and, just giving it that natural look. I'm going to be using my sponge just to wet it just a little bit, give it a little bit pigment. I'm just going to just do a little bit of this and probably just do a little bit of mixing. Sorry guys, my camera had went dead and I gotta give you another camera. Like, this camera is really, yeah, But what I was saying and what I was thinking, everybody is beautiful in their own way, and just embrace yourself you don't have to wear makeup. You don't have to, wear all the fancy clothes. You don't have to do none of that. In the inside, is beautiful. And in and out. And I'm going to take my hair out, my head. So this is my finished look. And I am literally excited about it. I love my makeup. I love everything about it. And thank you for watching my video. Wait, this hair is getting a little tangled, but I still love it. I love when it dropped a little bit. I like when it dropped. Period. Sorry about my video going in and out, but I'm going to get back with you guys as soon as possible because I want to talk to you guys a little bit more. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Into the video, go ahead.